more and more people are starting to question what they were taught in school. What if the Earth isn't a spinning ball? What if it's flat instead? This is the idea behind the flat Earth theory. It says the Earth is a flat disk, not a globe. People who believe in a flat Earth are called flat earthers. They think powerful people are hiding the truth about our world. This is a global conspiracy, they say. Flat Earth ideas are spreading fast online and in communities around the world. Could this many people be wrong? Flat earthers say no, they have evidence and they want everyone to know the truth. One of the most compelling arguments for a flat Earth is straightforward. Where's the curve? Think about it. When you look out at the horizon, whether you're standing on a beach, flying in an airplane, or gazing across a vast desert, the horizon always appears flat. This undeniable observation has led many to question the spherical nature of our planet. If the Earth is a ball, shouldn't we see a curve when we look out at the horizon? Flat earthers assert that if the Earth were truly a sphere, the curvature should be noticeable, even to the naked eye, especially over large bodies of water or expansive landscapes. They argue the Earth is too vast to see the curve from the ground. According to them, the sheer size of the Earth means that any curvature is imperceptible from our vantage point on the surface. Even on airplanes, they argue, the windows are designed to distort our view. Flat earthers believe that the curvature seen from high altitudes is an optical illusion created by the shape and design of airplane windows. We think we see a curve, but it's an illusion. They suggest that what we perceive as a curve is actually a trick of the eye, influenced by the way light bends, and the design of the windows. There's also the issue of water. Water, they argue, always finds its level. Water always finds its level, right? This principle is often cited by flat earthers to support their claims. So how can it curve around a ball? They argue that if water always seeks to be level, it would be impossible for it to conform to a curved surface. Flat earthers say it can't. They believe that the consistent flatness of large bodies of water is evidence that the Earth itself is flat. The oceans stay flat because the Earth is flat. This is one of the core arguments used by flat earthers to challenge the conventional understanding of our planet's shape. And what about NASA's images? Flat earthers question their authenticity, suggesting that these images are manipulated to fit the spherical Earth narrative. They argue that the lack of visible curvature in our everyday experience is more convincing than any photo from space. If the Earth is flat, then space travel is a grand deception. This is the core belief of the flat Earth theory, a controversial idea that has gained significant traction in recent years. According to flat earthers, everything we know about space is a fabrication. Flat earthers gather at conferences, share theories, and present what they consider to be compelling evidence that supports their claims. They assert that NASA, the space agency, is a key player in this grand deception. To them, NASA is not just an organization exploring space, but a central figure in perpetuating a massive lie. They believe NASA fakes space missions and photos to keep us believing in a round Earth. Every space mission, every photograph is meticulously crafted to maintain this illusion. Look at pictures from space, they say. These images are often cited as proof of the spherical Earth, but flat earthers see them differently. The Earth looks different in almost every one. They argue that inconsistencies in these images are clear evidence of manipulation. Sometimes the continents are the wrong size. These discrepancies are pointed out as undeniable signs that the images have been altered. Sometimes clouds look too perfectly placed. Flat earthers believe that such perfection is impossible in nature and must be the result of digital editing. This proves the images are fake, flat earthers argue. They present these points passionately, hoping to convince others of their perspective. Why would they do this? The question of motive is central to the flat Earth theory. Flat earthers say it's about control. They believe that by keeping the true nature of the Earth hidden, those in power can maintain their dominance. If people knew the truth, the whole world would change. They argue that a revelation of this magnitude would upend society as we know it. Governments and powerful people don't want that, so they keep us in the dark. According to flat earthers, this grand conspiracy is all about maintaining the status quo and preventing a global awakening. Section 4. The Ancients Knew, a History of Flat Earth. The idea of a flat Earth isn't new. Many ancient cultures knew the Earth was flat. They had their own stories and explanations for how the world worked. These ancient people were wise. They carefully observed the world around them. They saw a flat Earth and a dome-like sky. It made perfect sense to them. Flat earthers today believe these ancient cultures were onto something profound. Somewhere along the way, we were misled to believe in a globe. Section 5, Fighting Back, Answering the Globeheads. Of course, not everyone believes in a flat earth. The debate between flat earthers and globeheads has been ongoing for centuries, with each side firmly entrenched in their beliefs. Globe proponents claim there's tons of evidence for a round earth. They present data from various fields such as astronomy, physics, and geology to support their claims. They point to things like satellite technology and gravity. Satellites orbit the Earth, providing us with images and data that seem to confirm its round shape. But let's look closer. Flat earthers have answers for everything. We challenge the mainstream narrative with our own interpretations and theories. Satellites? We say they're a hoax, orbiting a flat Earth under a dome. The images we see are manipulated or entirely fabricated. And gravity? It's just the Earth's natural upward movement. This upward acceleration creates the illusion of gravity. It's a constant battle of ideas. Both sides present their arguments passionately, often leading to heated debates and discussions. But one thing is certain, the flat Earth theory is here to stay. Despite the overwhelming scientific consensus, the flat Earth movement continues to grow. More and more people are opening their minds to the possibility that everything we know about our world is wrong. They question the established norms and seek alternative explanations. Are you ready to question what you believe? The journey to understanding our world is complex and filled with differing perspectives. It's up to each of us to explore and decide what we believe to be true.